Here is a 3D printed exhaust nozzle for a Freewing MIG-29 by Frank Born of Germany. It comes in 3 pieces: the exhaust, the turkey feathers, and the pedals. They print really easy off the file, no problem. You just have to cut them off the bases, and this one slips right inside this one, and I just glued it with some CA. And you take these 3 pieces here and you take them to your jet. You take the old exhaust nozzles. You're going to have to trim around like this, because these will just slide right over it. Like that. And then your pedals are going to go get glued to this area here, like that. And that is a MiG-29 exhaust by Frank Born.